Many species of snakes live in the Amazon jungle, many of which are poisonous and some are non-venomous. The fauna of this region mainly consists of rivers, wetlands, plants, and dense forests. Anaconda is the most famous among the big snakes.
Green anaconda is the heaviest snake. It is also included in the long-lived snakes. The head of the anaconda is as long as a human head. It is about 26 feet long and more than 250 kilograms. Horned snake is a term commonly used to describe various species of snakes that have a horn-like structure on their heads. It is mainly used to refer to two types of snakes, the Sahara horned viper, Cerastes cerastes, and the Texas horned adder, Heterodon nasicus. The Amazon jungle is the largest rainforest in the world, home to countless diverse and mysterious animals. Snakes are one of them, who survive in this deep jungle as both predators and prey. These mysterious snakes of the Amazon have adapted very well to their environment. They play an important role in maintaining the balance of the forest. In the shadows of the deep forest, there are snakes whose existence is mysterious. Some snakes can jump in the air, while others are able to detect the location of prey in a lightless environment. Some snakes change color to blend in with their surroundings. The Amazon jungle is the largest and most mysterious forest in the world, where the terrifying forms of nature are revealed. Here, trees covered in dense darkness, all kinds of unknown animals and dangerous poisonous snakes and insects live.
There is no known place in the Amazon jungle called the skeleton forest, but many ancient fossils and traces of civilizations have been found here. This vast forest was inhabited by many indigenous groups, some of whom have mysteriously disappeared. In addition, the bodies of many animals in the deep jungle decompose over time and become part of the soil, so skeletons are rarely preserved. Some researchers claim that there are traces of lost human civilizations here, which can reveal new aspects.
A mysterious mountain stands in the middle of a deep forest. From a distance, it seems like a sleeping giant. Its peak is shrouded in a blanket of fog, where sunlight does not easily reach.